Hey guys, it's Brian again. Now, if anyone is invested in the stock market, you see what's happening. Everything is down, everything is red, and most people are panicking right now. And the question I've been getting a lot is what to do in a market like this. Should I buy? Should I sell? Should I just stay out of it? What should I do? Now guys, if you're stopping by to this channel for the first time, I'm going to ask you to like, share, and subscribe. Now, we got that out of the way. Here we go. So basically, if you've been following me, you know my investing principles. My first and foremost investment principle is this. If I do not understand something, I am not going to invest in it. Have I missed opportunities? Yes, I have, because I did not understand it. But once I understood something, I am convicted and I put all my eggs into it. And that is the number one thing. It's about conviction. You have to have conviction in a company. Most people look at the stock itself and how the stock is moving, but they do not understand that behind that stock, there is an actual company. And I have conviction in every single stock, every single company that I invest in through understanding. Number two, do not lose money. Under no circumstances whatsoever, do not lose money. And number three, every investment, make sure it appreciates but also cash flows. So if something is not going to pay me, I do not invest in it. And this is why I'm an options trader. Now with that being said is this. Most people invested in companies that they did not believe in. Most people invested in companies that were not stable. So some of these companies that are dipping right now, especially companies on the OTC markets, basically the penny stock market, they're not going to bounce back. This happened before, this happened in 2008, this happened during April, and it's going to happen again. Because what's happening is a sell-off. I do not believe this is a market crash because there's too much money being printed to prop up the market. I just feel like a lot of companies, based on what I've been reading, based on what the technical analysis shows, people are just selling. It's not a crash. I strongly believe it's going to bounce back. So the first thing is that the companies that we have conviction in, we're supposed to be holding on to and buying more of those companies. Every time the market dips, I personally go in and buy more of those companies because I know 5-6 years later, those companies are not going to be cheaper than what they're trading today. Remember this, crashes are going to happen, sell-offs are going to happen, corrections are going to happen, fluctuations are just going to happen. But the stock market recovers 100% of the time. That is factual. So hold on to what you have, your conviction stocks, and buy more of those companies. That's what you should be doing in a sell-off market like this today. Now guys, once again, thank you for stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe.